Well, good day everybody. Welcome to our channel. Well, it's a cold and rainy day here in Cavite province. Who am I kidding? It never gets cold in the Philippines. It's 25, 26 degrees now with an expected high of 29. But anyway, so I thought a good project for today would be bake some brownies. So let's go. I'm doing a batch. 96 of the little buggers. So, but before I start, let's have our thoughts and prayers go out to the people of southern Leyte. These pictures are from the Sunstar, Philippines, Maasin City, Asin City, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. After Typhoon Odette carved a path through southern Leyte. Okay, let's bake. Start off by melting 448 grams of butter and 180 grams of chocolate in a double boiler. Make sure that the butter has completely melted, as this almost has. Now you add 164 grams of cocoa and mix it in, and keep mixing until it's fully blended in with the chocolate and butter. And now you add 436 grams of brown sugar. In this case I'm using light brown sugar, and mix that until it is well blended. Now you add 792 grams of white sugar, and you mix that in as also until it is well blended. Oh, and by the way, you may have noticed this recipe is not recommended for diabetics. Now we add 8 eggs, complete with whites, and mix that in until it's blended. Then 4 egg yolks, and of course mix that in until it's well blended. Next you add 2 teaspoons of salt, which I've already done there, followed by 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Finally add 500 grams of all-purpose flour, or plain flour, whatever you prefer, and mix it well. I put approximately 3 cups of the batter mix into each pan. Of course I can only fit 2 pans in the oven at a time, but the batch that I made up is enough for 4 pans. Once the brownies are cooked at 175 degrees centigrade for 25 to 30 minutes, you let them cool completely, and then we cut them into 24 squares. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that, and do have a go at the recipe. It's very easy. Even I could do it. So stay safe, stay healthy, Look after your loved ones, and I'll catch you all next time. Uru.